Hey guys, today or this week I am going to be making cards from the Tutti Frutti suite. If you have the catalog, it is on page 29, and here it is. Here is some inspiration. It's an adorable suite, and I have a fruit stamp set that was it in the Occasions catalog last year or the annual catalog? One of those. I'll link the video above. I've used that stamp set before, so I'll link that above. But so I was hesitant to get this one, but I kept looking at it and I saw the little punches it came with, so I had to get it. It's just too cute. So there are some inspiration projects, and then here is the stamp set, and then here are all the items you can get in the suite. You can get your Tutti Frutti Classic Stampin' Spots, Designer Series paper, adhesive backed sequins, your lemon lime twist, the mini striped ribbon, and then there is washi tape, a cardstock pack, and then your mini punches. And I actually have most of this, so I will show you it real quick. First of all, here are the mini punches. They're adorable. They're quite small, so that's really nice. You have a strawberry pear, a lemon or lime, and a pineapple. So you get the punches, well, I got the punches, and then I did get the washi tape. So here's the washi tape. You get 5 different rolls, and this is one size, and you have 2 of this size, and then 2 of the thinner size. Here is the adhesive back sequins, which are really cool. You get, there are 250 sequins in here, and it looks like 4 different colors. I'll correct myself if I open either 4 or 5 different colors. Once I open this, I'll go through it in more detail. Here is the, let's do this. Here's the cardstock pack. This is just your Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lime Twist, Real Red, and Thick Whisper White. You can get these obviously individual, but it's really nice with the suites just to get the pack, and that way when you sit down to make a card, you have all your colors here and you're good to go. So I'll be using that. Here's the stamp set. It has 25 stamps, and they are 2-step stamps. You have Happy Birthday to You, You Are the Sweetest, Yay, Friend, We Make a Great Pair, Hello, To, From, and then you have all of your fruit images, a little heart, a bowl, and then a basket. And it's just a clear photopolymer stamp set. And then here's the DSP. I'll just flip through it real quick. If you caught my unboxing, I'm sorry, not unboxing, but haul, Occasions catalog haul, you would have seen, in, if I can do this, in more detail the pattern paper. So I'll link that video above if you're interested. So here's just a quick flip through. Love the paper. Absolutely adorable. So that is, I got pretty much everything on here. I didn't get the Stampin' Spots because I have the full-size ink pads, but if you don't have a lot of Stampin' Up! Ink, these are great because they're affordable and you can build your collection quickly. And I don't have the ribbon, but everything else I have and will be using. This is the Tutti Frutti Cards and Envelopes. And this is in the Celebration catalog. So if you make a $50 purchase, so let's see, the suite, the bundle, the Stampin', the stamp, and the punches is $35. And then if you add the DSP and maybe the sequins, that will get you to $50, and then you can get the cards and envelopes for free. And so you get 16 pre-printed card bases and envelopes for each of 4 designs. So I'm going to get everything out that I'm going to use. I plan to do 3 videos making 3 cards using this suite, and I will use all of the products I have shown. Okay, actually I went through my stash, and I do have the mini striped ribbon. This was sent to me by my upline. So here is the Lemon Lime Twist mini stripe ribbon that comes with the, as a part of the suite. So I'm going to include this. I did take out the sequins, and you get 5. Yes. So pumpkin pie, berry burst, lemon lime twist, Pool Party, which is almost white, and yellow. The card. And then here I opened the card pack. So here are your envelopes, which are great. Love the pattern on the inside. And then here are the card bases. And they have patterns on them as well. Whoop. So now we'll get started with the card. Okay, for the card, I am bringing in my layering circle framelits and my stitch shaped framelits. I have a piece of Whisper White scrap paper. I have my Whisper White card base. I have my piece of the Tutti Frutti DSP I'll be using. I'll be using both sides of this. I am going to be using the ribbon. And I have the sequins here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them yet, probably, but we'll see. And then the ink colors I'm using are the 4 that coordinate with the Sweet Real Red, Lemon Lime Twist, Soft Suede, and Daffodil Delight. And I'll be using the Strawberry Punch. And that is it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and stamp out my strawberries. I'm only going to use 3. So I have the strawberry piece and the topper. So I'm going to take Lemon Lime Twist and Real Red. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stamp out this. It does come with an outline stamp, but I don't think the punch cuts that out. I could be wrong. I'll have to practice with that. When I was looking at pictures, it didn't look like it did. So I'm just going to stick to this. And I'm only going to need 3. And then I'm going to take the topper. And the 2 little notches down here at the bottom fit those 2 notches. Actually, I'm going to restamp that since I have everything out. It's not going to be a big deal. I don't like that. Okay, that's better. Alright, and then I'm going to take my little cute punch. Isn't this adorable? It's so small. And go ahead and punch these out and see what they look like. Yeah, so that outline piece of the stamp would not, because the punch, it fills it completely. So you can see you have over here some left over. So if you like, I know dies will leave that border, most dies. If you like there not to be a border, these punches are great. Okay, so we'll put this aside. Then I want to take my scrap of Whisper White and I want to stamp the basket. And actually I'm going to have to stamp more strawberries. I was looking at designs of cards that I liked and I'm changing it up, but instead of just using 3 strawberries, I'm going to put strawberries in a basket. So I'll have to punch out some more strawberries, which I will do. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and do my basket. I'm taking Daffodil Delight and stamping the solid. And then I'm going to take Soft Suede and stamp the outline. I'm not sure how this is going to look. I'm kind of testing it out since I haven't had time to make a practice card. If it doesn't look good, we'll just do it over. And I'm probably going to go off camera. I want to make sure I get this lined up. Alright, not bad. We're going to stick with that. So that was the Soft Suede and Daffodil Delight. Alright, there is no die for this, so I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut this out. Okay, so here is my bowl, fussy cut out. I punched out some more strawberries. I've gone ahead and used my scallop circle die to cut a piece of Lemon Lime Twist. I did bring this in, I didn't mention it before, paper. And then I used a circle die, my stitched circle die, to cut out a piece of Whisper White with my circle stitch die, obviously. My card size is A2, so this is 5.5 by 4 1/4. I'm going to have a side card, top folding card. I cut my pattern paper to a little bit smaller than A2 size, so I have a white border that's 1/4 inch. And then I just kind of eyeballed it and cut the strip off down here that I'm actually going to flip over. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere this to my card. Alright, so I have my card. Then I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down. I'm going to have this here, and then I'm going to have my ribbon across here. So we're just going to cut a generous amount of that. And then I'm going to take some tear-in tape and I'm just going to do a strip all the way across where these two pieces of pattern paper meet. And then just throw my ribbon on top. Go ahead and trim it. I'm going to go ahead and put my bowl together. I want this stamped up with dimensions. I want it raised up with dimensions so I can stick my strawberries behind it. I'm going to use the regular adhesive Stampin' Dimensionals and then the mini ones. And then I'm just going to use glue dots for my strawberries since it's nice and quick. I'm going to go ahead and pop this up. And then I'm going to take probably this piece of scrap paper and go ahead and stamp my sentiment. Is it long enough? Yes. And I'm going to stamp my sentiment in real red. It says, "Happy birthday to you." And then I'm going to cut this out. Fishtail banner. I cut in the center and then I cut off the sides. Kind of like it like that. So we're going to do a Stampin' Dimensional on this end. And then I'm just going to do a glue dot on the other end. There we go. Let's go ahead and try some of these sequins. I'm going to use the Lemon Lime Twist. And basically it's just a glue dot already attached to the sequin, which is kind of cool. Glue dots are usually what I use to adhere sequins anyway. So this kind of just saves a step. Alright, and that is the first card using this suite. I will be back this week with 2 more ideas, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions about any of the products I use, let me know. Please let me know if you're interested in placing an order and you need assistance with that. If you place an order with me and you use the Hostess code, you will get a free gift. If you place an order I will send you a catalog as well if you do not have a catalog. And if you're interested in joining my team, let me know. During celebration, you do get to choose 2 free stamp sets of your choice for free, in addition to the $125 worth of product, and you only pay $99. So it's a great deal, especially if you are very wise in your choice of the 2 free stamp sets. If you choose 2 expensive ones, it's an even better deal, because I think the extra value could be up to $100. So let me know if you have any questions about that. It's a great time to join, even if you're not interested in sticking around. If you're going to place a big order, it's a good time to join. So let me know if you have any questions with that. Stay tuned for my 2 other projects using this suite, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.